This thing's been worked to death, smashed up, and abused. Now the control arm ripped right out of the frame. Let's fix it. Yeah, give it some more abuse. More like Pushman. It isn't running now. Let's get it in the shop and fix it. Needs just a minor alignment. Going up. Well, here's the carnage. Ripped right out. There was a big stack of shims behind the control arm, so we're actually going to use that to our benefit. We're going to weld the broken piece back in, and then we're going to put a plate over the top of it. That'll kind of act like that shim that was there before and weld the whole mess back together. And our buddy over here is going to run for the hills when we crack out the welder because he hates the welder. Let's get this tire out of the way and break the welder out. All right, we got some space here now. First order of business is knock down any high spots over here. That's sticking out pretty far. Gonna beat that back with a hammer, maybe that a little bit, and then try to fit our little puzzle pieces back in. I'd like to try to pull this out, but I don't even think I can. I'll get a pry bar maybe and try to pull that out a little bit, because the plate that we'll put on it is probably gonna cover over the whole distance, span from here down to here someplace. Let's get whacking with the hammer. You don't have to see that because I need two hands over here to do this. Okay, we beat that into submission as much as we could. Now we get to play jigsaw puzzle here. You could see just a little piece of that hole still in that one piece. So this is the one that goes in here. Let's get some better light on this. There we go. And it's gone. Not the first time that happened. Well, let's go fishing. There we go. Now that is clearly not going to go exactly where it went. I'm going to grind this thing back all around on the edges so we can kind of pull it in from the back and then give it a couple of good spot welds. I might even grind a little bit of this out too. Now for the other piece, there isn't much of it left. My best guess is that it goes right there. Everything else is MIA. So we'll just weld that in there and get the plate to cover over the top of it. All right, we ground that down as much as we could. It should be good enough. And we're gonna line up that little hole that's right there into our best guesstimate of how this bolt's gonna be coming out. I want it kind of like straight, and we're gonna tack it in place, something like that. We're not looking for perfection, we are looking for adequacy. Cover your eyes when I start to weld, okay? It should be good around there. We got it all cleaned. Good enough. All right, here's what we got. Bunch of spot welds around there, and a plate will cover over the top. Now, I'm gonna need to use the control arm to make sure I put this one to line up with that one. I'm not gonna try to freehand it because it might be off a tiny little bit. So we'll put the bolt in there, and the bolt in there with a little piece, and then give it a couple little spot welds. We got that fitted up there loosely. All right, now we need to get this situated where it needs to be. I think that's the way it goes, right there. We'll put the bolt in there and the broken piece, and we'll just be able to sneak the welding gun in there to spot weld it on the top and maybe on the bottom too. Then we'll pull this back off and put a couple of plates over the top of it. Checked in place, we'll pull that whole A-arm out of the way again. Good enough. Now we got to find metal to put over this. Perfect. And it already has holes in it too. No drilling required. Just find metal with holes. This will work out perfect. We'll probably eliminate that whole stack of shims that was in there before. Let me clean these things up. We have a crack up there. I don't know if you could see in that little hole there. We got to weld that too. We'll do all at once. And put this piece of crap back into service. Here's what was behind there. Here's what we're putting back in. Maybe we could fit 3. If we can get them. If not, we can leave them out. It's going to make a big difference with this. We got it tacked in. We got to finish zipping around the whole thing. Well, there you go. Don't look too close. Just a quick, friggin' crappy repair. And our assistant slept through the whole thing. Hey, lazy, what are you doing? Wanna go for a ride? And hopefully all these bolts will line up. We got a little jack here to kind of raise the suspension up because it's under doesn't want to meet up over there. So let's finagle around with this and get the bolts in, and hopefully they'll go in. We put 3 of the shims back in there. Everything is tight. The brake line goes back up there where it was. I'll pop the wheel on. See what our alignment looks like when it hits the ground. What do you think? Good enough? Yeah? All right. Perfect. No. You're not going to drive this time. I'm driving. It's alive. If you like this video,